Now that you have made a few connections, it is a good idea to inspect your work for any faults. This is best done under good light using a magnifying glass. Some common faults to look for are solder peaking. This happens when the iron is removed too quickly before the join has completely reached its soldering temperature. Fractured joint. Tiny cracks visible in the solder are caused by the join being moved or disturbed before the solder has properly solidified. Cold joint. A join that appears dull and grainy or lumpy is the result of insufficient heating. The porous joint. The porous joint is another fault caused by insufficient heating. Small pinholes can be seen on the solder surface caused by trapped gases escaping. Solder peaking, fractured joins, cold joins and porous joins can all be rectified by reheating. Poor wetting. This fault is caused by dirt on the surfaces being joined or on the iron bit, and the result is easily seen here. The solder should be removed and the surfaces cleaned before remaking the join. Joins that have been made to cool too fast or been disturbed while cooling, or where dirt has been present, yet show no physical signs of a fault, have acquired the name of dry joints. Dry joints look much like good joints, but, if inspected very closely, may show a small gap between the solder and component lead. Another telltale sign might be a very fine hairline crack around the circumference of the join. Joints that are dull in appearance may also signify dry joints. Once located, a dry joint, in most cases, can be rectified by reheating the join. Dry joints can often prove impossible to locate, and the only remedy is resoldering the entire board, a very time-consuming job. To avoid the possibility of these faults occurring, it makes good sense to ensure that each join you make is done carefully and correctly. The use of excessive solder is not technically a fault, but prevents proper inspection of the join and often covers up a poor join. Using excessive solder may also cause a solder bridge between two adjacent terminal points, creating a short circuit. The solder must be removed before the circuit can be powered up for testing. During the break, inspect the joins you have made for any of the faults just discussed.